How to create moon face soulmate video trend on the TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go and open your CapCut. Now once you're in, you have to go on the template, and here you have to click on the search template. Now in this search template, you have to search for the moon face soulmate template. Now there are many templates. You have to select the first one, and here you have to click on the use template. Now after this, you have to simply select up your video. After selecting the video, you have to go on the preview, and you are able to create a moonface soulmate video. But if you want to create it for the TikTok, you have to go back and open up your TikTok. Once you're in the TikTok, you have to go on your search bar, and here you have to search the same moonface soulmate template. Now there are many templates. You have to, as always, select the first one and go in its preview section and select the moonface soulmate template. After that, you are able to create a moonface soulmate video trend on the TikTok.